Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cover photo for your videos in CapCut PC. So select whichever video that you have. I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to select edit cover here. It's going to bring me to this place where I can edit the cover. You can also select from these options here. There's gaming, vlog, whatever. I'm just going to select vlog for this one. And I am going to type in, well, select maybe this one. This one looks cute. Daily dose of positivity. Smile with us. I'm going to delete that though. Whoops. Here you can select like the background. Actually, I'm gonna use something else. I'm gonna use, let's see, this one. Okay. You can select the photo here and you can select filters from this tab right here. I'm going to select this one. You can also select the text here and you can change the color of the font and the shadows and stuff like that. You can also change the font here. I think I set that already. Select, there we go. You can add in a shadow to it. You can add in shapes, stickers. So for instance, I want to type in flowers. There's going to be a bunch of like flower stickers and you can just drag it and add it to your, cover. You can select the color scheme of the sticker as well here. And some of them you can actually just change the color of the sticker. Not this one though, but there's a few that you can change. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.